My name is El Medina.
My name is David Sharon.
My name is Christian Bethea.
Right now, I'm in interior design.
I currently work for Niederveld doing land planning and landscape architecture.
I am at Michigan State now. Still think about this class every day.
So my experience with gunboarding was really great. I think it taught me a lot about myself and really took out my creative side and showed me what I wanted to do in my future.
Gunboarding has directly affected my decision making and when it came to choosing my major and choosing the career that I wanted.
I started going to Red Bull events just with this connection I've made through the gunboarding program. And then I eventually just got the job my second semester of freshman year at MSU, and now I'm still working that. So many more opportunities have opened up from gunboarding now to Red Bull. Excited to see what else I'll be doing with it.
I got to be creative in a different way than I ever had been before, and that kind of led me to do interior design with my mom, and I love it, and I wouldn't have probably realized that without gunboarding.
Jay Burton started off doing landscaping. That always kind of stuck with me. And so I started doing landscaping for a couple of years, and I always knew that I had this kind of architecture side to me as well. I finally was confident within myself to choose landscape architecture as a degree to go into. And I probably would not have had that confidence if it weren't for gunboarding.
I do work for Red Bull now, and my journey from gunboarding to Red Bull was I knew someone who was in the gunboarding program. When I went to Michigan State, I met them looking at the wake team. I joined the wake team. They actually worked for Red Bull. They had the Red Bull event truck right next to the wakeboarding boat right when I got to campus. And it was just like such a cool thing to like see both of those, like DJ in the Red Bull truck, wakeboard boat, like everything I had just like done with gunboarding was right there at college. So it was like a comfort space for me. She told me about her job. Kendall Ball told me about her Red Bull job, and it seemed like the coolest thing ever to do on a college campus. And I started going to Red Bull events just with this connection I've made through the gunboarding program. And then I eventually just got the job my second semester.
Traditional school is great for people that have that way of thinking, but for me that was not the case. I did not do well in regular classroom settings, so gunboarding for me was just such a great experience. It teaches you like a different way of thinking. Once you have boards that you're making, and every single thing you make is such a different process, so it's so cool to like have those things in your head, and it kind of like rolls over into what I do now. Like I think of things differently in a different way and different problem solving skills. I love the woodworking part of it. I love the design part of it, but also working with people on their boards or having people help me with mine. It really teaches you to be super collaborative, and it was a great learning experience, I think.
My experience with gunboarding was full of just different opportunities and different situations. Not really situations, more just problem solving. Faced a couple challenges. The first one being, I'm very possessive when it comes to the things I work on, or I used to be. Working on a surfboard and gunboarding, I was kind of pushed into team building and trusting the people that are working on the board with me. And that's something that I apply now every day into what I work on.
My gunboarding experience was like no other class. I had the opportunity to go to California. I had the opportunity to build boards and just go and use them every day. The backsides of these boards are pretty cool if we want to show those too. Here is our wakeboard. Backside, front side with matching bindings. Surfboard. Here's the back of it. And then all my friends kind of signed the corners there. I made here. That's it.
For someone that's debating taking the gunboarding class, I'd say do it, try it. I think you'll have a lot of fun and it'll surprise you.
If someone that was about to take gunboarding or thinking about gunboarding came up to me and asked me for advice, I would say just take it. You're gonna have some of the most fun ever in high school, and you're going to wish that you took more of each opportunity that was given to you in that moment.
Like the biggest thing I'd say is just take the class. Like you're gonna learn so much. It's such a missed opportunity if you don't take this class.